Good morning, dear student. Today I will teach you class 11th biology, chapter 3rd plant kingdom. I was discussed in previous classes chapter 3rd mosses, liverwort and pteridophytes. Today I will discuss you gymnosperm. Gymnosperm, that means gymnos means naked and sperma means seeds, are those plants which the ovule are not enclosed by any ovary wall and remain exposed both before and after fertilization. That means in both conditions, ovules are not enclosed by any ovary wall. Some gymnospermic plants are given in these figures. Gymnosperm are those seed plants in which seeds are exposed over the surface of megasporophylls because later are not folded for any pastils. Gymnosperms are a small group of seed plant which is spread to 900 species living species in the world. All gymnosperms are perennial, woody, farming, either bushes or tree. Some of these are very large, life for thousands of years, like Sequoia dendrolis. That means Sequoia sempervirens, tallest gymnospermic plant. Highest gymnospermic and tallest gymnospermic plant is Sequoia dendrolis. That's length is 111.6 meter, and Jamia pygmea is the smallest gymnospermic plant. That's height is at 26 centimeter. Two types of sporophyll, that means microsporophyll and megasporophylls, are usually in is to aggregate from distinct cones of stabili. Pollen comes male cones and seed comes female. Seed do not occur inside fruit, they are naked. Female gametophyte contain archegonia. Pollination is direct as a stigma is absent and the pollen grain directly reaches into micropylar in ovule. Pollination is usually accomplished with wind, and wind, that means anemophily. You know what is the anemophily? Anemophily, that is the process of pollination that is accomplished by wind. Male gametophyte produced only two male gamete or sperm. Generally, those one of them functioned. And external water is not required for transport of male gamete. Instead, a pollen tube is formed by male gametophyte for effecting fertilization of syphonogamy. Seed contain a food-laden tissue of endosperm for future growth of embryo into seed. The tissue represent the female gametophytes. Like pteridophytes, xylem does not possess vessels except in some genophytes. Phloem is without companion cell and sieve tubes. Sieve cells are not arranged end to end of row. The examples: living gymnosperms are divided into four groups: Psychopodopsida, Gingopodopsida, Coniferopsida, and Gentopsida. Gentopsida is represented of maiden hair tree, that is to ginkgo biloba. Nitopsida contain genitum, ephedra, and a well wrist. They are nearer to flowering plants in having over the arrangement of sporophyll and possessing the primitive vessels in xylem. Plants are Cycadopsida and Coniferopsida are commonly called cycads, conifer respectively. Cycas is the smaller group of gymnosperm which has palm-like habit and fern-like foliage, leaf base and often persistent in the stem of vascular constitute only a narrow patch through secondary growth occurs. Plants are dioecious. Plants are dioecious. Microsporophylls and megasporophylls develop on separate plant. The sporophyll are aggregate to produce astrobili or cone. Megasporophylls of cycas, that means megasporophylls are often leaf-like and possess ramenta. Sperms are motile. The plant are mostly xerophytic and occurs in warm weather. Their population is however decreasing due to the extension of agriculture and serve competitions from xerophytic angiosperm. Cycas are grown in their ornamental apple, that is the Cycas circinalis and Cycas revoluta. Unlike the bryophyte and pteridophytes, gymnosperm, the male and female gamete do not have independent, free living existence. They remain within the sporangia, retained on the sporophytes. The pollen grain is released from microsporangium. They are carried in air current and come in contact with opening the ovule borne on megasporophyll. The pollen tube carrying the male gametes grow toward archegonia in the ovule and discharge their content near the mouth of the archegonia. Following fertilization, zygote develops into an embryo and the ovule into seed. These seeds are not covered. These seeds are not covered. The importance, that means economic importance of gymnosperms. You know gymnosperms as edible seed. Seed of Pinus gerardium is edible. They are eaten after roasting. Plywood packaging cases, matchstick, railway sleepers, timbers. Gymnosperms are a softwood and edible. Pinus gerardiana are edible and timbers. Gymnosperm possess softwood. The same is used to preparation of light furniture, plywood, packing cases, matchstick, railway sleepers, fiber boards. That means gymnosperm is used to needle of pinus and other conifers are used in making fibers board and they are used in making packaging cases and resins. Resin is the semi-fluid secreted by the special tubes which contain terpenes, resin, acid and ester. It solidified on exposure to air. Ephedrine. Some gymnosperm are very useful for drugs. Ephedrine is obtained from ephedra, a gymnosperm. The drugs is used in curing respiratory element including asthma disease. Thank you.